Akwaba and found Ghana and Sam TVGH so what frame Adwa searching.
Maybe about the priorities. Yeah, person this budget no watch for him. Ade ba kwa President Mama eka the State of the Nation address or catch the Ghana for when it comes to completion of Agenda 111 project near say eka honum no eso.
Yes.
In fact, the head minister Ankasa Okabeka say omu hia be say 1.4 billion US dollars.
Yeah.
Near the area Agenda 111 send bit me aye operational. Yeah, budget we. CJ 1.4 billion US dollars no. A 21 billion Ghana cedis. We use exchange rate of 15.5. The current exchange rate. A 21 billion Ghana cedis. Ya sheda anye specific allocation biya because my penny can't catch let's say or pe ankra nom do musika ababeshe. Unim budget ye twa de ma felis kwacho fosu for government communication. 78 billion Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
So is President Mama telling us say of value
Ebusafo omo kase journalist omo Ghana omo do mujuma ewo Adom FM na omo ekre se kwabena minta akando our health minister eba bontin say agenda 111 past government no start ya omo ewie mu bi na nkanya aka no ye bekaya his excellency na John Dramani Mahama promises oba agenda 111 obeto aso na honorable kwabena minta akando abeka say so betting a complete agenda 111 ati so omo de 1.4 billion dollars ena ewie na ena presenters ebisa kwabena minta akando na John Dramani Mahama na Felisofosu kwachimu no mo go Flagstaff house won say just say health hu nyamu mo to me the 2.7 billion akwa to Flagstaff house motete agencies nebi omo skefima ne beka no mo ama Felisofosu kwachi 7 to 78 billion on fanya communication and fa bin totally true nso obeno na munye ska en complete agenda 111 na omo kowo omo nyare a enda ukokolebu a ti say kolebu do omo declare so won fa won ko ana say okako hospital be say wo so oda wa na yinkura edu afrisan wo edem ska ya mo ati akoto Flagstaff house e na mo de ye inti no hey youth ni and youth no that be youth and for why what is ga mudi on yente de any man say mo betting tax afi yenti sema omde etudwa
education to complete hospitals abetimi aboa to better the lives of yamanfoana
kwasi 50 million Ghana cedis and I are allocated for research our presidency 50 million Ghana cedis. So, and so you ask yourself, what are our priorities?
Felix Kwacho for Sube Kachre said, presidential staffers under Mahama will not exceed 300. President Kufuor issue over 300 yen can wasem. Or the budget of about 380 million Ghana cedis no running the office. Less than 300, yet 2.7 billion cedis and now running the office of the president under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The priorities no should be set right. The priorities no should be set right. We can be allocated 78 billion Ghana cedis for government communications. Now you're giving 21 billion Ghana cedis. FNU hospital project a bit me a booming and a beer what a crassy. It's an affair the private sector for Sika membership and Sana yet me agenda 111.
Was here Ukrumha? I feel in fear me and Senchi. We will see the state of some of the agenda 111 projects.
Government communication. And young was a Shamima better to Facebook say or better 1,000 cities.
Hey, watch out to Facebook.
Go check Facebook.
Let me verify. Wait,
Shamima Muslim after budget no.
Or my teacher saying, say, or tell them my info.
No, man for sorry, sorry, I'm just so I could let you. But I'm for a screenshot that to them. But I see, how can we allocate 78 billion.
No.
Billion Ghana cedis for government communication. Yet we need 21 billion. And venue hospital. A bit me creating a new madiama. Necessary. A bit fee. President Mama. Yet we need sir. Yet we need sir. That be some of your priorities. No some patrocian BM.
I mean, see me say or menua. Sir, and Nema Boba Kosra, if we say Nema, especially electricity. Especially the electricity. Says you see every 3 months. Okay, says our time now. Then this also no. Now, sir, Jantua. One and a year. Janaya Jantua. PLC. Ten Bia, you be able to know about no better, no Becassa. Near 2 electricity bills, near 2 water bill, no call for came. No call for came. Sound system, not Sababim. Sound system, not Sababim. So Ghana for NDC for bars, Comedy Mobile DB. Yeah. Say, we are going back to the old system. Say, start to say, electricity na raise na don't go for the buy ya. Or better so 3% the my you know. Or better society so my industries, you know. And some raise beam. See to say, na don't go for electricity boarding. Then you say dear, Mama ya babrin saloon. More muyitre ene ne keka ho industries we manufacturing say nyema buo be kosoro papa because of this tax now every quarter 3 months bia be na say esese omutu every 3 months ye betum na ye tum no oniama na woto na say dokono wokoyam a na mo say beto no 1 cedi no ye bebe se beto do kro 1 cedi a ene ba ye hu se 22 cedis ene ba ye ye chie e pitani e 1 cedi ene mi se 22 cedis ba ye chie fia 2 cedis na ye sumo o hire ba sa ba ko pe hwe enu achi na mo kro from ana makonta ba ko ne ba o ko je JHS3 o ko exams mi hono ma na akra de ba fie see so ma meji registration exams registration fee 300 Ghana cedis. Yes, na 600. We dey ka bi. Ya man kura na ba fie so mo meje.
Na ye hwe boache Albert Fokuo na enam na ne ba friend say osomo be ye mbok ne si A4 sheet 30 cedis.
Oh.
Enti omo first camera na omo fa metua A4 sheet na omo use dey mbok no ka. Enyam sam.
Oheba.
Mache.
Mejosumini.
Kwabri is to say.
Oh, nyame adu bi e koso bo.
De Nyankopon ase.
Ye no makakaka.
I don't know if I have to do this.
Enche.
But I want to say sorry. Men can be anka hu bi.
Mate.
I just want to say sorry.
You want to say sorry, Mate? Mate me da.
Yes, be afache me. Mate say me na me dey adi.
Mate. Meja bibia manaka.
I appreciate the respect and the love you had for me. That you listened to me. But anko wiye. Intifache me. Why? Good.
Human experience, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, we learn something from it.
Yeah.
But that's it. Budget, you know. Yet, but before the moment, menu catchery. Catchery, a coordinator, I was in here. And catchery back also a former coordinator. I was in Tonso.
Catchery back your coordinator is here. I was a former
coordinator. I was a former coordinator. I was in Tonso at once. Na
me be a catch na menye coordinator yes ya na catch ni
na menchia me